Your YouTube Studio settings can make or break your channel's growth. Let's dive into the essential adjustments you need to make right now. Auto captions are great, but they can confuse viewers or harm your SEO. Review your caption settings and upload custom captions if needed. Restricted mode can limit your video's visibility. Check your content settings to ensure you reach a wider audience. Default tags can clutter your video metadata. Make sure only relevant tags are used to improve your SEO ranking. Disable unimportant alerts to avoid distractions. Focus only on what truly matters for your growth. Turn off comments on outdated videos to avoid negative engagement. Manage your comments settings effectively. Customize ad placements for better revenue balance and user experience if monetization isn't performing well. Small changes in your YouTube Studio settings can lead to big improvements. Optimize these settings for better results. Stay updated with platform changes to keep your channel optimized for growth.